Hello friends, welcome back to RK Factorology. Today we are diving into the world of bird, but not the cute and colorful ones you might be used to. We are talking about the 5 most dangerous birds in the world, from powerful beaks to lethal talons. These birds are not to be underestimated. So buckle up as we take a closer look at these feathered foes. Number 1, Cassowary. On our list is the crossway, often referred as the world's most dangerous bird, found in northern Australia, New Guinea and nearby Iceland. The cassowary is a large flightless bird known for its striking blue and black plumage. But don't be fooled by its beauty. It has a powerful kick that can be deadly. In fact, the cassowary holds the records of the world's heaviest birds, capable of running at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. Number 2, Harpy Eagle, a majestic bird of prey found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. With a wingspan of up to 7 feet, the harpy eagle is a powerful hunter preying on monkeys and sloths. Its massive talons, which can be long as grizzly bear claws, make it a formidable predator. The harpy eagle is known for its strength and agility, making it one of the most dangerous birds in the sky. Number 3, Swans. Swans are large waterfowl belonging to the family Anatidae, which also include ducks and geese. Swans are among the largest flying birds. They can have a wingspan ranging from 7 to 10 feet. Swans can be found in a variety of aquatic environments, including lakes, ponds, rivers, and coastal water. Swans are herbivorous, feeding primarily on aquatic plants, grasses, and sometimes small invertebrates. They are known to tip forward in the water, submerging their long necks to reach underwater vegetation. Number 4, Lammergeier. Moving on, to Lammergeier, also known as a bearded vulture, found in mountains regions of Europe, Asia and Africa. This bird has earned its place on our list due to its unique feeding habits. The lammergeier is known for dropping bones from great heights to crack them open and access the nutritious marrow inside. In some cases, these bones have been dropped on unsuspecting animals, on even people, making the lammergeier a bird to watch out for. Number 5, Andean condor. Last but certainly not least, we have the Andean condor, the largest flying bird in the world, with a wingspan of up to 10 feet. This massive vulture soars high above the Andes Mountains in South America. While it primarily feeds on carrion, its powerful beak and talons make it a force to be reckoned with, though it generally avoids confrontation with humans. Its sheer size and strength make it a formidable presence in the avian world. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 dangerous birds in the world. Nature has a way of creating some incredible and at times intimidating creatures. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which bird surprised you the most. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.